Do you love designing but hate thinking about money? Guessing with your finances is a recipe for disaster. It leads to burnout, bad clients, and feeling like you're always one step behind. You deserve to get paid well for your incredible talent. This isn't about becoming a boring accountant. It's about building a system that lets you focus on what you do best, creating. This guide is your new money plan. It's simple and direct, with no complicated jargon. You'll learn to price your work with confidence and build a financial system that runs almost on its own. A good money plan is the ultimate creative freedom, giving you the power to say no to low-paying gigs and design the life you want. Before we get going, subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more tips like this. Join our community of design entrepreneurs and never miss a strategy. Imagine this. A client questions your price, but you don't sweat it because you know your worth. A slow month comes, but you're not panicked. You have a cash buffer. You see a new course and can afford it without guilt. This isn't a fantasy. This is what happens when you stop guessing and start planning. Move from being reactive to proactive. Your design skills are valuable. You help businesses attract customers, build trust, and make more money. So why aren't you paid accordingly? Because art school made you a great artist, not a great business owner. Let's build a system that supports your creativity. Forget complicated financial statements. You only need 3 numbers to understand your business's health. The first is total income, every dollar from every project. Go back 3 months, add it all up, and see where the money came from. Website projects? Branding packages? Knowing your income sources helps you see what's actually working versus what just feels busy. The second number is your total business costs, expenses like software subscriptions and a portion of your rent. List them all out. Many designers ignore these costs and wonder why they have no money. Your costs directly impact profitability. The most important number is your profit, total income minus total business costs. High revenue doesn't mean a healthy business. Profit pays your salary, saves for taxes, and reinvests for growth. Your goal is high profit. Let's talk design pricing. Most designers leave thousands on the table by charging hourly or guessing a random project fee. Stop doing this. You're fast because you're an expert, and you should be rewarded for it. Instead, price your work based on the value it provides to your client. A new brand identity is the foundation of their entire business. To price for value, you need to understand your client's problem and their goals. Is it to get 10 new leads per month or increase sales by 20%? Frame your work as the solution. You're not selling a 5-page website, you're selling a customer acquisition machine. When you talk about results, the price becomes an investment, not an expense. This single shift will transform your income. If this is sparking ideas, hit like, and let us know your biggest takeaway in the comments. Don't just give clients one option, give them 3, a basic, a standard, and a premium package. The premium option should be your all-inclusive white glove service. Most clients will gravitate toward the middle option, which should be the one you want them to choose. This positions you as a strategic partner who offers clear solutions. Finally, when you present your proposal, state the price and then stop talking. Don't apologize or justify your price. Your confidence signals its fairness and the incredible value you deliver. If a client can't afford you, that's okay. They aren't your ideal client. Pricing correctly attracts better clients, more fulfilling work, and lets you earn what you're truly worth. Now look at these 3 numbers together. What story do your numbers tell? Are certain projects bringing in most of the income? Are subscriptions costing more than you thought? These numbers don't judge you. They are data. Your guide to tell you where to focus. This clarity is power, the foundation of your new money plan. To manage your money, you need a simple, automated system. This isn't about complex budgets, but creating a flow for your money so you don't have to think about it. Start by opening a few separate bank accounts: business income, taxes, profit, and personal salary. All money from clients goes into the business income account, your central hub. Each time you get paid, follow this simple rule. When money lands in your business account, immediately transfer 25 to 30% to a separate tax account. This avoids surprise tax bills and provides priceless peace of mind. Automate this transfer. Next, pay yourself a fixed, consistent salary by transferring it to your personal account. This is your paycheck. The remaining money in your business income account is your profit. Transfer this to a separate profit account. Use it to invest back into your business with a new computer or a coach, or keep it as a cash buffer for slow months. Use a simple accounting tool to track income and expenses. They're designed for creatives, not accountants. A good money system gives you clarity and control, freeing up your mental energy to get back to creating beautiful designs. But a good money plan isn't just about managing what you have, it's about growing what you earn by finding better clients. The best ones respect your expertise and have interesting problems to solve. We've covered a lot, from understanding your numbers to planning for growth. It might feel like a lot, but you don't have to do it all at once. The goal is progress, not perfection, built on small, consistent actions. It's about moving from anxious guessing to calm control. You can absolutely do this. Let's recap the core ideas. Know your numbers, income, costs, and profit. Price based on value, not time, and set up an automated system to manage your money. These are practical steps every successful design business owner has mastered. Here are 3 you can take today. A good money plan is something you do, not just read about. The difference between a thriving designer and a struggling one isn't talent, it's action. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a fellow designer who needs a boost. Now check out these other following videos, or if you're ready to take things to the next level, head over to thedesignlemonade.com to sign up for more exclusive content.